Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek Kenneth. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic to you guys. It's a very important topic which has been happening for the past couple of weeks, guys. You may ask, what Abhishek? Is it about any coronavirus cases or is it about any a new wave of new coronavirus as such? No, guys, don't worry. Today also, I'm not going to talk about any coronavirus cases, guys. But today, I'm going to talk about this Afghanistan and Taliban issue, which has been going on for past couple of weeks, guys. I thought of avoiding this topic because I'm not particularly interested in this type of war and assets. But no other go, guys. I have to speak about this right now, guys. So basically, who is Taliban and what happened to them? Why have they taken over Afghanistan recently? Why does this happening? And what is the cause of this bomb attack which has recently taken place during Thursday? What is the main problem or what is the current situation? I will tell you, guys. So let me come from the start. Basically, who is Taliban? So Taliban group was formed during the year 1994. So if you see, guys, here it is basically consists of people who are Afghanistan resistance group who fought the Soviet Union war during the year 1980s, guys. So their main aim is to impose a strict Islamic law in that particular country, guys. So even they had captured Kabul during the year 1996, where they imposed a strict law such as the women should be covered from top to bottom and they should not go around anywhere. There should not be a TV, radio, or any other such electronic items, and even non-Islamic holidays is banned, guys. So these are some of the strict rules which they have imposed, and I heard some of the other rules such as the girl should not speak to a boy, and as such rules has been imposed, and even they should leave their house with either their parents or their husbands. So these are some of the craziest rules which are imposed at that time. So as I said earlier, they even captured Kabul and some parts of Afghanistan during the year 1996. But here what happened is, it all changed after 2001, guys. You may ask, what is that, Abhishek? I will tell you, guys. So I hope you have heard about the 2001 September 9/11 attack. I think we already spoke about this attack in our channel itself. So after that attack, here everything has been completely changed, guys. So here, after this attack, the US military and allied forces came to Afghanistan, captured it, and sent away the Taliban forces, guys. Then, for the past 20 years, what happened is the Taliban again wanted to seize Afghanistan, and because of that, there was a lot of war going between America troops and Taliban forces. So, as I said, what happened was during the year 2017, year during the period of Donald Trump, what Taliban has done is that they have put a letter to the Donald Trump stating that they wanted to send away the or retrieve the US troops. Then later on there were many negotiations which has been going on at that time, guys. So after that, many negotiations later, the US and the Taliban have agreed to the certain agreements, which means what US said is, okay, we will retrieve the troops for you and release 5,000 Taliban men. But, and what the Taliban has said is, okay, we will not support any terrorist activities such as Al Qaeda and other terrorist activities in Afghanistan. So, this were the basics, the negotiations which were being made between US and Taliban forces. So, after hearing this news, in Afghanistan, the violence grew more stronger, guys. And as per June end, what the people have estimated is here around 50 to 70% of the entire Afghanistan has been taken over by Taliban forces. And later on also what happened during the first week of July and second week of July, as the troops were withdrawn, the Taliban forces took control, guys. And not only that, by July end or August first week, the entire group, Taliban group, has taken the Afghanistan, guys. That means they have taken the control over the Afghanistan. Here, and not only that, they have also taken especially the residential palace which is situated in Kabul. But here what the US government did is they seek permission to the Taliban stating that they will not leave the Kabul airport until July 30th. So, August 30th. So, what happened is the Taliban had agreed to their demands and allowed to stay till August 31st, guys. But what else I also have heard is the US government is also seeking permission to extend the period to September end, whereas the Taliban is not allowing the US government to stay there. So, as I said, in July end, as the Taliban has taken over the Afghanistan, here the people started departing from the guys. The US, the foreign people, even including the Afghanistan people, indoors have started evacuating the Afghanistan, guys. So if you see here, if you see here in Kabul airport, the people have been surrounded in a huge crowd, guys. You know, in this pandemic, this is the right opportunity, guys, for the coronavirus to peak in a crowded place. But because of the situation there in Afghanistan, the people have been crowded so much in that particular Kabul airport, guys. So if I show you that picture, on one end there will be civilian people who wanted to go to the other states or who wanted to flee to their home country or to other countries. On the other end of the airport, the US troops wanted to help the people to get out of that place, guys. But here I am not going to show that video because on showing that picture or a video, it will be pretty disturbing for us also, guys, seeing that things. But here it does not end right end, guys. And not only that, guys, even the Taliban forces has promised the Afghanistan civilians that they would not be the same as the past. Like for example, they will give some liberal things to the women and children, and even they have committed peace to the government of Afghanistan. And also what they have ensured is that, guys, even the journalists, cameramen, media people also can work in that particular Afghan country, guys. And even they have even promised the rights to the people that they can even, if they want, they can protest and have the rights to say anything, guys. But their action does not speak like that in some areas, guys. And not only that, on other end, what I have heard is that here, even though the entire Afghanistan has been captured, there is only one place which has not been captured, guys. And that place name is, and that city is none other than Panjshir, guys. So if you see here, you may ask, how is that possible, Abhishek? You only said that the entire Afghanistan has been captured, and now you are saying that one city is only not captured. How is that possible, Abhishek? Yes, I will tell you, guys. For that, I have an explanation. If you see in other cities, here why they were able to capture this, there was no natural defense mechanism there, guys. So the Taliban were able to capture easily. But if you see in Panjshir, here, what is happening is that there is obviously a natural defense mechanism, guys, where not only Taliban, not anyone could go into that particular Panjshir city, guys. It is none other than the mountains itself. So if you see here, the mountains itself is providing them a support for the Panjshir people, and they were not able to capture that particular city, Arun, guys. So what I also heard is that there is a protest going on in Panjshir, and they have cut off all the supplies, including their food and their fuel, and the Taliban have even surrounded that place. And on other thing also, what I heard is that in Panjshir, people, they have formed a group known as the Northern Alliance and taken over the 3 territories captured by the Taliban forces, guys. So this is a small brief which I like to give you also. So if you see, last Thursday, there was a bomb attack which has happened in Kabul city near airport. So you may ask, what Abhishek, is the Taliban doing like this? No, guys, it's not Taliban. It is another group known as the ISIS, which means Islamic State of Iraq and Syria. So their main aim is to even capture Afghanistan also. And also they are even angry at them, at the Taliban. Why? Because they are so lenient with the Afghanistan people nowadays, guys. So, what happened is this ISIS group member, two people, unidentified people, and what they have done is they have turned into the suicide bombers and they have conducted the blast last week, guys, in which not only the Afghan people had died, even the Taliban had claimed that their people had died, and also the US troops, around 13 members, have also died, guys. So, which is a pretty sad thing for us. But during the last press meet, what the President Joe Biden said is that this thing will be sorted out and he and his team will hunt down this group, whoever did this, and destroy them like into pieces, guys. So this is what Joe Biden had told. So this is the current situation which has been going on in Afghanistan, guys. So I hope that I have covered most of the things which has been happening in Afghanistan till now, guys. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.